remember those days, those L's. I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name's Ozella. So you guys, today I am just pretty much just playing in makeup. I went to Ulta and picked up the new Anastasia AMREZY palette, and I thought, why not play with it? Because I've been seeing a lot of people play with it, and I saw a color in there that caught my eye. So yeah. So starting off, you know, I'm priming my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to set it with translucent powder. And dipping into the palette, the first shade that I'm going to be using is the shade called New Yorker. I don't really know how to pronounce it. I'm not from New York, so I can't say it with the accent. So, but yeah, I'm going in with that shade first, and I'm going to apply that in my crease and in my outer corner. Okay, so this is a cut crease look. Like, I've been doing a lot of cut creases lately, so it's nothing new. So I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer and cut the crease. And one thing that I've been doing, you guys, like when I cut the crease, when I'm using concealer, is I take a flat shadow brush and I take some translucent powder and tap over it so that way it can set and it won't crease up or move or anything like that. I feel like that really helps me with my cut creases, especially since I don't have like a tacky base to put down. So yeah. But moving on to the next shade that I'm applying pretty much all over the crease is called Wasted. It's this it's a matte pink shade, but it's got a little bit of shimmer to it. And then on top of Wasted, I'm going to add this beautiful like pink shimmer shade called Barb. The camera didn't really do it justice. You really can't see it, but in person, like when you apply it, it's amazing color. This is what made me get the palette, because of that color. Like, it's awesome. Right, next I'm going to apply liner. So I'm going to take my NYX liquid liner and I'm going to do a wing liner for the look. Okay, so I did apply lashes off camera, but the lashes that I did use are the Lilly lashes in the style Mykonos. Those are my favorite lashes to use all the time. So moving on to the face. To prime my face, I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer as my favorite primer at the moment. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 334. I really don't need to go over my face routine because I use the same products and the same thing in all of my videos. So if you need to know like what my, face products and everything, they will be listed in the description box below. If you need detail video of how I do my everyday makeup and everything like that, I do have a video for that. So I will link that in the description box as well if you need to know. But anyway, let's talk about this palette for a second. So when I went to go pick up the palette is a little bit, I noticed that the palette is a little bit bigger than the rest of the Anastasia palettes that she has. And it's due to AMREZY adding an extra shade in the palette, which makes the palette like a little bit longer. Also, I love the aesthetics of the palette that she did. Like when you pick it up, it's like a matte pink case with her name on it in gold. And it's got a little bit of a pink shimmer to it if you pay attention to it. And then when you pull the palette out, it's like pink glitter on the palette, but it doesn't come off, so it's like really good. Like, it doesn't come off at all. I was worried about that, but this palette is awesome. Like, there are more colors in the palette that I want to use, and I'm going to be playing with this palette a lot more, create different looks. But yeah, I love it. Like, I love the palette. Like the eyeshadows, like the pigmentation and everything is popping. Okay, so finishing off the eye look, I'm going to take my Tarte black eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to apply that in my waterline. And then I'm going to take the shade, I'm going to mix the shade 1988 and New Yorker together and apply that on my bottom lash line. And then I'm going to apply some mascara as well to finish it up. And to set my face, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray. And then, of course, to highlight, I'm going to go ahead and use the AMREZY highlighter by Anastasia, of course. And to highlight my inner corner, I'm going to go back in with that shade Barb and apply that. And for the lips, I'm going to take a NYX brown lip pencil and line my lips. And then I'm going to apply this Morphe lipstick in the shade Boy Toy. And then I'm going to go over it with a Morphe gloss. So this is the final look, you guys. Leave comments, let me know what you thought about the look. If you like the look, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload. And, you know, follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat. And I will see you guys later. Mwah.